Morning guys. Today we will see how to create a dynamic Google form. Dynamic Google form in the sense there will be few drop downs which are dependent upon others. That means those are conditional drop downs. Like for example, if there exist two drop downs, first drop down will be the state and second drop down will be the city. If we consider that example, in the first drop down, if I select the state name as Andhra Pradesh, it should reflect the respective cities which are located inside Andhra Pradesh that will be reflected in the second drop down. And in the same way, if I select the another state as Telangana, and in the same way, the second drop down will be changed accordingly based upon the cities existed inside Telangana. Uh, that is what known to be as conditional drop down. We will create the drop down inside our Google form. For that case, go to official website for Google Forms, that is forms.google.com. Here we need to select a blank form. Here we can able to configure our Google form, and let me give the title for that Google form: conditional drop down dynamic Google form. Okay, we can give any name to this form. And here let us create some demo Google form. For that case, I'm going to consider for the student who are going to apply for the internships like so. For that case, I'm going to take the name of that particular student. Here it should be a short name, short answer. For that case, I'm taking short answer. If you wish to change, you can able to change from here itself. If you want to make this as a mandatory field, we can just enable this required field. And if you want to add more, just click on this add question. Here I want to give this department, this branch name. Here branch name, there might be very limited branches. For that case, I'm going to specify some multiple options, or else if I wish to give, I can able to give the drop down also. Let me consider the drop down. Inside the drop down, there will be few departments like civil, CSC, mechanical, like so. You can give anything. Let me see, quickly. That's it. If you wish to give, you can give anything. And I want this as also mandatory. That's why I'm taking this as required. And another one, let me take this as demo example, email and university. I'm going to consider the email option. Email should be a short answer. That's why I'm selecting a short answer. This is also a required field. Now, as I said, we have some conditional drop downs. For that case, I'm going to create one drop down here. And that is what the example, that means here the constraint should be, here the problem should be like if I select one university, that should reflect in the another drop down, like what are the colleges existed under that university. For example, if I select Rayalaseema University, that should reflect the number of colleges which are comes under Rayalaseema University, like Rayalaseema University College of Engineering, Arts and Science, and so on. There exist so many colleges like so. Right now I'm going to create a field like select university. Here I'm going to give some drop down, that is first some university, and the second I'm going to give some another university like JNTU. For now, two universities are enough for the test case. We consider this also an example. In the next drop down, we need to have the college selection. For that case, I'm going to do something like I'm going to take the another section just by clicking this icon. Here we are going to get the another section. Here we don't need to declare any section name. That is all not required for us. Just click on here, then we will get the add question option. Here I'm going to I'm going to specify the name like select university, select college, sorry, select college. And here I'm going to specify, let me justify this little soon. University College of Engineering, University College of Arts and Science, like so. And Why I'm creating this field is, if I select on this Rayalaseema University, that should reflect to this particular drop down. Let me select. Let me make this as a drop down. Okay, fine. This should be visible. And for when I select this Rayalaseema University option, that should be reflected to this one, to this section. If I select this JN2A, it should be reflected to somewhere, right? For that case, I'm going to select one more. I'm going to create one more section inside this section. Oh, inside the section, I'm going to create a new element. Here also, I'm going to specify the same thing, like the college. Here, I'm going to create one drop down. It is JNTU UACEA College of Engineering Anantapur. The same way there. Oh, sorry. JNTUACEA CK something Salikiri and something like Purvanthal. Okay, fine. Let us take some demo examples and I will make this also as required. Now we need to make a conditional. This is the crucial step. Listen carefully. When we have configured the university section, we need to create two more sections. Like by clicking on this icon, we can able to create a section 2, and we have also created the section 3. For the section 2 for Rayalaseema University, like one university, section 3 for another university, JNTU. Now we need to make the attachment like when we click on this particular drop down, it should be redirect to one particular section. When we click on this another option, it should be redirect to another section. How can we be able to do this is, just go to this particular element like selection of university, just click on three dots. Here we can able to see the option like go to section based on answer. Here we need to select that particular section. Here I have created Rayalaseema University in section 2. For that case, I'm selecting this section. When I'm click on Rayalaseema University, it should go to section 2. And when I click on JNTUA, it should go to section 3, at where I have created the drop down list for colleges of JNTUA. That's it. That is how simple it is. Now, let me show you the demo which we have created. Okay, and I'm going to select one department, CSC, fine. Okay, some demo Gmail. Here you can able to give any mail. There is no validation for the mail ID. Just I'm giving sample. If when I click on the Rayalaseema University, then I should have to click on next. So we can able to go to this particular section. Here we can see Rayalaseema University College of Engineering and something. Or if not, if I select J into A, it should be redirect to one particular section at where we can able to see J into A and all. Yeah, this is how we can able to create the conditional drop downs, that is dynamic drop downs. But there would be some issue if you observe here. And let me go in the initial way. Let us show you something. If I select J into A, that will be fine. It will go to the specific drop down at where we can able to see specific colleges. Then when I select anything, we can just submit it. Yes, let me do some demo things. If I select Rayalaseema University, must wait. Let me show something. Something I'm going to do. And if I select Rayalaseema University, of course, it will go to the specific section at where we can able to explore Rayalaseema University College of Engineering. Like specific colleges comes under Rayalaseema University. But when I click on that specific college, I'm not able to submit the form directly. There will be some other option like next. Then it will be redirect to another section which we have created to JNTUA something specific colleges related to JNTUA. To overcome this problem, we need to make a few changes. A very simple change. That means after section 3, that means it is the final section, right? For this final section, it will be definitely go to the submit button itself. But it is the intermediate section which exists between section 1 and section 2. To navigate to the submit option after section 2, we just need to select the option here like submit form. That's it. After select section 2, we just need to go to the submit form. Let me see the output here. Something and select Rayalaseema University. Next. Yeah, it is now working perfectly. Before what it is showing it as next here, but now it is showing it has submit. That's great. That's how simple we can able to create a Google form. And when we consider that we have successfully created our Google form, we can just click on send. So that just click on this link icon. If you wish to shorten this URL, you can click on shorten. And this is about your URL to be shared to others. That is how simple you can able to create your Google form, so that you can able to explore your Google form. You can share to anyone, and the responses which you have got you can explore here. And if you wish to get your all the responses into your specific sheet, you can get it into a spreadsheet which are available inside the Google form itself. This is how you can able to get all your data. That's all about Google forms. Thank you for watching. Thank you.